The rail team in Downer, I think what makes them great essentially is the fact that everyone seems to pull in the right direction, which I think you'll find at most companies, but here the guys seem to enjoy it as well. We've got a lot of new and upcoming people that are joining the industry, which Downer's investing heavily in. And I think with the growth that's currently in the New Zealand market, there's a good future for rail, and Downer's are certainly embracing that. So Downer's strengths in this industry and what makes us stand out the most. The strengths is that we have a well-established team that have done rail works, shall we say, in the corridor over many years for Kiwi Rail, and the fact that we're bringing that now and starting to diversify into other projects and expanding that project profile. And we've got that ability to be able to draw on the Australian experience as well. What I enjoy most about Downer is that the people in the team, I think across the board, there's a real sense of a family feel about the business. To be fair, the culture's good, and I've come across Downer in other areas and other regions before, and there's a consistent message that's always been applied even from the outside looking in. And I generally I like the idea of the fact that Downer have really took to embrace this in New Zealand, and they're really getting into rail, and I see a good future in it. If I was a Thomas the Tank Engine character, it'd probably be James. Big red engine.